That's it. Oh, you put the oil in there, very nice. Daisy's good like that. She puts the oil in my tools, the air tools. We oil them every day. This air tool is well over, this needle scaler is well over 20 years old. And it works like it's brand new. Give you an idea. I make a mistake. I fixed the mistake. I also changed the lock. I just have to weld those nuts on. There was a latch. Wasn't doing much. And yeah. Okay, you don't need to see the whole thing, but it's going to be corrected. When I tell this owner of the machine it's done, it will be done. I will be done. I will be done. So, Daisy, say goodbye. Bye. This is Michael Fazio.
And this is May.
In the Philippines, baby. Oy vey and shalom from Rabbi Jim Barker in the Philippines, baby. That's right.